Welcome back to my more report charts analysis videos on Tuesday 28th of August with me, Richard Bear Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, which continues to sort of pull this recovery. I mean, pretty much all the majors have rebounded against the dollar, but you look at how cable has done it, and you'd still be concerned. I mean, you have broken that downtrend, and that suggests that the momentum of the dollar strength has certainly waned. But you look at these momentum indicators, still under 50 on the RSI. MACD lines stochastics are rising, so that's a positive, certainly reflecting the near-term improvement. But you're still underneath the overhead supply of 29.55, and you're not actually sort of built on last week's move, initial move to 29.35, and you had that bear candle on Thursday. You've not really reclaimed that bear candle yet, so it still is a suggestion that sterling is an underperformer, really is struggling to really get the traction in this recovery. If they can get above, if sterling can get above 29.55, then that starts to become more of a positive outlook. But still, you're not really looking at this chart and thinking that it's going to be sort of bursting higher anytime soon. Certainly, you've got all this overhead supply from the July trading still to get through. But if you can start to leave behind a higher low at 28 big figure, 27.97 on this chart, but 28 big figure basically. If you can leave that behind and then start to pull higher and start to pull decisively above that overhead supply around 29.55, then maybe you can start to sort of look at a possible cable recovery being a sustainable move. But at the moment, it still seems as though this is a move with the handbrake on. Now you do have the hourly chart, which is relatively positively configured, but again, initial resistance 29.35 still needs to be broken, and then 29.55 is that old key low. Momentum indicator is not especially strong either, really, on this chart, but marginal positive bias, but needs something more for the bulls to be in control. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.